Hey guys, I'm going to try putting in a flow control system into the main boom on this. Stick around if you want to see how I do it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here with the FF15 Mini here. I've been reading on the forums here about one more way to try and reduce some of the jerkiness. I've already put the pilot control springs in there. I got a video on that you can check out. Does really good job of reducing some of the jerkiness. Now one of the things we're looking at is putting these super small little discs with a hole in it, and you're going to put it right on the hydraulic line, and it acts like a flow control valve, only it's just not adjustable. So we talk on some of the forums I've been on about how this is pretty effective, so we're going to go in there, we're going to check it out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it mainly just on my main boom here. Reason being is that's where I think I get bucked off the most if you're hitting that one pretty hard. So we're going to work on putting it onto the boom, and we'll just see how it goes. So let's go take a look. So one of the first things I'm going to try is actually just putting it on one of the lines. So I'm going to put it on this side of the line here. This is going to be the one that actually feeds the cylinder out. My thought pattern is that even with that circulation of fluid's got to go in and out of the cylinder, so you may only need one actual flow control system in one, and we'll see how it goes. Well guys, there you have it. I don't know, so I would say that it probably reduces the jerkiness and control in there by about 20%. I've already got the pilot control spring mod put in there. I got another video on that you can check out. and that probably reduced it by 30-40%. And so putting it in just one side seems to work for control for both sides. Yes, I know it's probably going to add some more heat in there, because any kind of a flow restrictor is going to add more heat to it. So I have the temperature gauge set up so I can monitor that and check it out. Otherwise, that's another super cheap and quick mod to gonna get done. Yeah, if you guys got any questions or comments, you want to throw them down below, send me a thumbs up. Otherwise, we'll catch you in the next one.